Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to tell you how to make PDF for your exam purpose or any other purpose. First of all, you have to download DAS Scanner from Play Store. Let's download this. I am already downloaded this. Let's open this. After opening, you have to click on camera option. Then if you require flash, you have to on, otherwise not. Then you must on guidelines for easy adjustment of image. Then you have to capture it. After capturing, it will automatically crop itself. If you require any extra cropping, you have to do it manually. Afterwards, click on continue button and then go on capturing images which you want to make PDF. See, I am capturing pages one by one. If you require any extra cropping, you have to do it manually, otherwise it will crop
itself automatically. I am capturing fourth image. After completion of your capturing of all images, you have to click on right option. Then if you need any editing, see here you can edit this. You can change the color, which color you want, or else you can put it original. You can crop or increase the border size if you require, otherwise not needed. You can adjust this. You can change the brightness, contrast, or whatever. There will be options. You can change anything. After completion of your all editing, click on right option and then you can go on editing all pages. I am showing you only one page. After completion of PDF, you have to rename it of whatever name you want. This is engineering related PDF, so I am giving the name as engineering. After renaming, you have to save this PDF to your device. See, I am saving, save as PDF. Click on save as PDF. Okay, it will take few seconds. Let's go back to our file manager and click on DAS option. See, here it is, engineering PDF. It will take few seconds. Wait that. See, here is our PDF. This is how we can make PDF by using DAS Scanner easily in a minute. Again, go back to DAS Scanner. You can also share it through what you want, WhatsApp, Gmail or any other. If you like this video, please share, subscribe.